Unbelievable comeback. I'll admit, California had us on the ropes in the first half. But our team, led by the unstoppable Cam Ward, proved why we're the #1 school in the country. To all the doubters, you're sleeping on the wrong Hurricanes. This team is different. We're not the same squad from past years. Cam Ward is the Heisman Trophy frontrunner, and we're running the ACC in college football. Hand us the national championship already. Cam Ward is the real deal, and we're unstoppable. Final message, California, you had your chance. Now it's our time.